Stop trading blindly. Transform your chaotic charts into a laser-focused strategy with a powerful Notion trading journal. First, create a new page in Notion and title it Trading Journal. This is the foundation of your entire system. Now, build a database inside this page. Choose the table view. These columns will track essential trade information. The first column is date. Select property type date so that you can easily recur when the trade was placed. The second is ticker to record the stock or asset you traded. Choose the select property type and then add the relevant tickers. Strategy helps you categorize the trading approach used. Again, use a select property type and input common strategies such as breakout or moving average crossover. Record your entry price and exit price. Choose the number property type, formatted as currency. Position size is vital for risk management. Use the number property type. Calculate your profit, loss, which can be automated with a formula. Select the formula property type, and the formula is exit price, entry price, position size. Lastly, use notes to document your rationale, emotions, and observations. Using the text property type, this is where you capture the why behind your trade. Notion's power lies in its different views. Create a calendar view to visualize your trading activity over time, or a board view to sort trades by strategy performance. To see the big picture, export your data as a CSV file and import it into a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel. Then, you can make charts and graphs to help analyze your performance. Start using this Notion trading journal to consistently track, analyze, and refine your trades. Happy trading!